Welcome back to Life of My Wife. We got some mail, so we thought we'd do an unboxing video. But I'm feeling like crappity poo, so I'm not on camera.
Okay, you look like crappity poo.
I know. I look like a feel. This is from Scentsy.
Yep.
Our daughter Brittany sells Scentsy, and she's able to sell to Canada and the United States.
BrittanyMay.Scentsy.ca.
I'll put that down in the description as well.
You can log in. You can make an account, log in with Facebook, whatever. And anything when you go into there on their website gets for sales.
Yeah, and gets shipped directly to you.
You gotta tell everybody what this is. It's
You
not
got
just mail.
No, it's my birthday present. Which my birthday's in a month, but this was the warmer of the month, I think. Or no, it's a new warmer started the 1st of February.
Yeah.
Oh, it's pretty. It's a little tray. You say hi, Brody? All right, so, and it says, God is great. Can we plug it in and show them what it looks like?
Well, give me a few minutes.
All right, we'll get it set up and we'll bring you back. All right, so there it is, all lit up. Isn't that beautiful? Just love it. All right, so what's Brittany's website again?
Just give me a sec. BrittanyMay.Scentsy.ca.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
so it's BrittanyMay.Scentsy.ca.
all right. And she would love to chat with you.
You go in there, you can log in and create an account, or you log in with Facebook, Gmail, a couple other options. And you go in, do your profile, all your email, and whenever you order off her site, when you go in there, all goes towards her sales.
Yeah. All right. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and we'll see you next time.